this video I'm going to explain you how to run multiple websites using the free version of MAMP. If you don't know how to run a local WordPress website on your computer, just have a look at my previous video. It takes you 5 minutes to have a local website, WordPress website on your computer. But now we want to build a second website, WordPress website. What do we need to do? Let's dig in. We start MAMP. First we need to locate our WordPress website. We go to Preferences, we go to Web Server, and here we can see our document root where our WordPress website is located. So I located my website on my desktop. Here it is, offline websites, demo website, and here's my website. So I want to build a second one. I go to my root of my website. I make a second website, demo website number 2. It's a folder for the second website. I downloaded WordPress. I placed all the files from the WordPress folder into my second website. Now I have the second website. Now I need to tell MAMP that it has to read the second website. So I go to Select, go to my offline websites folder and select the second website. Now MAMP is going to read the second website. So I start the server. Open web start page, and it's almost done because we need to go through our installation process, make a new database, demo number, almost, database, create a new database, demo number 2, create. Now we have a second database for a second website. Click on my website, go through the installation process, you know the drill. I created a database number 2, username always root, password always root, localhost, submit, run the installation, and of course you know the drill. Site title demo 2, admin, just for demo purposes. Fill in your email, and here you go. We have a second website on our computer. Just to show you once again. So now we are running second website, demo 2, as you can see here. So now I want to go back to my other website. What I need to do is, you don't have to stop your server. You just go to Preferences again, Web Server, and select your website which you want to run. Give it a second. Open web start page, my website, and here's my first website. Just to show you that it's really, you can see some other website I called Webshop just for demo purposes, Webshop. So that's it. You can make as many WordPress websites as you can until your SSD or your hard disk is full. So thank you for watching. I hope I could help you out. If you have any question about this issue, please leave a comment or give me a like or not. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.